If you're already flying overseas, you might as well visit more than one country, right? Right, and here's how you do it on a budget. While I was in Portugal, I realized Spain was literally next door and thought to myself, why not hop over for my birthday weekend and celebrate there? So I started looking at flights and discovered that Europe has several budget airlines like Ryanair that offer super short, affordable flights between countries. Now, it did remind me of that time I did this in Asia using AirAsia, but I be forgetting to tell y'all, so I'm telling you now. Okay, so you can just go to Google Flights, plug in your dates, and look for the cheapest option. My round trip flight to Malaga was about $100, which made the decision hella easy. Now, here's the important part. Budget airlines are strict about their baggage now, so your carry-on and personal item must fit in their size limits, and if it doesn't, then they're going to charge you for those bags. Now, I didn't want the stress, so I upgraded to their priority or premium option, so my bag will be checked and I wouldn't have to worry about liquids or sizing or anything like that. Now, the flight itself was quick, it was easy, which made, perfect for a short country hop. I spent my birthday weekend in Malaga and then flew back to Portugal to continue the rest of my trip. One thing to know, because Portugal and Spain are both in the Schengen zone, and I'm praying I said that right, this flight is treated more like a domestic trip. So even though you're going to another country, you won't get a passport stamp. So if you're planning a longer international trip, definitely look into budget airlines to visit nearby countries. It's one of the easiest ways to see more places without spending a lot of money. Yeah. So save this video, share with your travel bestie, follow me for more, and I really hope this helps. Okay, bye.